Good morning.
Good morning.
We are in Georgetown, Penang. This is the second largest city in Malaysia, but there's a really relaxed atmosphere over here, traffic free. And what are we going to do, guys?
Looking for street art.
Yes.
Let's try street art, something very famous here.
Let's go! It's early in the morning and it's already 32 degrees. Malaysia is extremely hot and humid. We found our first street art. Look what we found. Oh, we love this film. Mr. Bean. I think it's from Mr. Bean on holidays. You're gonna have a ride with Mr. Bean?
It's my turn now.
That's Mary Moreau, isn't it? Yeah? Christiana, she's on another level, having a glass of wine with Mona Lisa. What's up with you?
Going to rock class.
She doesn't look too happy. What did you say to her?
It's between me and her.
It was the government that invited a few artists to Georgetown to paint. This is street art. It's not the tags that you see on the train. That is completely rubbish. This is street art. Do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Street art. It is boiling. The streets are just beautiful. Walking around, this is a live museum. No wonder it's a World Heritage Site. Time to refresh ourselves with a cold lemon juice.
You need the cold drink.
It's extremely hot.
Time for desserts, and look what we just found. Portuguese egg tarts.
In Portugal, we call these pastel de nata. Moment of truth. It's a little bit like pastel de nata, but still a long way to the original taste. But good attempt. We've been walking around the streets all day, exploring all the street art. It's really, really amazing. And now we came across Jubilee Clock Tower, dedicated to Queen Victoria. And if you didn't know, Malaysia was a British colony a few years ago. We are back at our hotel. We've been walking all day in the sun, heat. Whew. It was really tiring. How was it today?
You said it was very tired.
We burn in the sun.
Yeah.
We walked all the day just to see the street paintings. It was very great,
But it was worth it, wasn't it?
yeah, absolutely.
We took some amazing pictures.
And see you tomorrow.
Yes. Goodbye. How is this street art, Morgan? Approved?
Good mate.
Yeah?
Good mate.
Good artists. And she likes it too.